So hello everybody, I'll just show you all the quick glance of how you all have to register for the GNAI study jams. The first email you'll have to put this Google form will be shared on the WhatsApp groups. So press the link and open the Google form, and the first email will be mine, which is this one. It will be provided again in your WhatsApp group. So just add this email only at your first, make it compulsory. You add this email itself. Press next. Accept all the terms and conditions. Yes, I accept the terms. Press next. Then you get your full name, add your full name, okay, and then you add your gender. Make sure you choose the right institution, which is Vishweshwarya Technological University, Belgaum, India. And then the referral code I'll share with you all on the WhatsApp groups, so don't worry about it. Year of graduation, add your year of graduation. So do you have access to working internet and laptop with latest Chrome browser? So don't worry if you all don't have a laptop, we will be providing you all the PCs from the lab in the department itself. So, and people who have laptop can just bring it and get registered and fill this Google form there. Press next. Here you have is, please verify that you have created a new account. So first what you do is go to this Google Skill Cloud Jams. Wait, okay, so you go to this website. I'll share this link as well, so don't worry. Then you go to sign in. After signing in, do sign in with Google, okay, and then you have your account. So minus this one, so I'll go with that. Continue. I accept. I'm not a robot, bro. I accept. What's wrong? Okay, so this account of mine has 0 credits, and I am the member since 2023 for this, and I've already gained points, and I've already got this arcade points because last year I had completed this course. So people who have already completed the course can just create a new account. So if I have used this account, I'll create a new Gmail account, which is like, suppose this, like, I'll call create a new account, and then with that I will go, like, I'll just register that account. So I'll sign in with another account of mine, because what the problem is, the people who have done last year the labs, they have to compulsory create a new account for the new fresh labs to be done in 2024. So make sure you don't use your old Gmail account, because it won't be counted and you all will be rejected by them. They won't add you to complete the lab. So make sure you make a new one. I'll just go with this one because I've not completed the labs with that account. Bear with me for this. Okay, so welcome, Sanya. Okay, so my account, so settings, I'll go with settings, because here I have not completed any. Okay, see, here I have not completed any this certification, so it has 0 points, because, and you have seen my last profile had 1143 something points. So yep, we go with this. We go to the profile. This will be a fresh profile. So your the profile is publicable, accessible at this. So have a public account. Copy this ID. So copy this account ID of yours and make sure it is 100% public, guys. Don't at all make mistakes. Then next, add your public profile here, and then press I acknowledge, yes I agree, and then submit. That's all. I think I have this account as no, this account is not done. I just link to that account, that is why it's showing the points again. But yeah, make sure you have your account public, then only it is accessible. Having your account public is very very important. So just go in the public and you can make it public, you'll get 10 this year. So suppose if I make it private, okay, it's not accessible, so make profile public, you'll have, press on that, make profile public, it will get public. So copy this thing, copy this and paste it here. Make sure it has to be correct, paste it here, done, you're good to go. Okay, so one more thing to be conveyed is that here you have to add your mail, okay, after this page. See, after this your full name and everything, when you press next here, here you have to add your own Gmail ID. Okay, suppose you are a person called ABC, so you add abc at gmail.com. okay, this mail ID is of the account you have given to skill boost. Suppose your skill boost ID is also abc at gmail.com, so here also the mail ID has to be abc at gmail.com. Don't make mistakes when it comes to adding your mail ID here and having a skill boost account of this mail ID here. So just don't make mistakes when it comes to that. Have the same mail ID which you register to the Google Cloud Skill Boost account, and also fill the form with that mail account as well. So please don't make mistakes when it comes to that. Have the Gmail, once again I'll repeat, have the mail account which you do for the skill boost, use this Gmail account only where you register with your name, use this mail account only and create the Google skill boost account. Make sure you don't make mistakes because they'll just reject your application if this typo errors are there, and they've clearly mentioned a lot. Don't have typo errors, here there's no typos and everything. Make sure to double check the email that you provide with no typos. So enter the email which you used for creating skill boost profile above. Okay, so make sure you have this in your mind and read it properly, make the account properly and submit it. Cool, done then. This much is for it. And if you guys have any problem, you can just drop a text in the WhatsApp group or reach out to any of the core members. They will always be there to help you out. So just drop your doubts in the group or just reach out to the core team members. That's it.